Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and check this out, guys. This is Pokemon Masters Twitter page. 1 hour ago, Pokemon Masters tweeted, Pokemon Masters Fan Art Festival begins from now until February 23. Submit your art for a chance to win gems. We'll choose our favorites and share them here. The first place winner will receive 15,100. Oh my goodness. Kind of want to join this. I hope cosplay is included. Let's check it out together, guys. The details. It's been nearly half a year since Pokemon Masters launch, and we couldn't be prouder. Just read it on your own, guys. I'll breeze through the text and just say or speak out whatever is kind of important, probably. We're hosting a fan art festival contest. Users can submit original works of fan art for a chance to win prizes. February 10, 9 a.m. to February 23, submit your creation by filling out official entry form below. Submission guidelines: you must submit an original artwork inspired by characters appearing in Pokemon Masters. Guys, I'm planning to cosplay Noland. But Noland, I mean, it's still in the works and not ready until March. I have a Brawly cosplay and I have a Scotty cosplay. So if cosplay is included, that will be good, guys. Must be your own original work. Must include sync pairs that are currently available in or have been officially announced. Must include some form of in-progress proof to verify that you're the original creator. Examples include line work, some form of data transcript is your piece of video, song, comic, or similar. Must not be publicly available prior to end of the campaign. Interesting. So you have to make a new art or some sort. And I think, guys, I have an idea what I will do. I think I can do a Scotty cosplay with a Torchic and a Pikachu and a Solgaleo. I have a Torchic. I have a Solgaleo. I have a Pikachu. I don't have a Torchic plushie though. So please see the official rules of the contest. Why am I saying what I'm planning, guys? No purchase necessary in order, void, prohibited. Don't tell me this is US only. Please no. Section 3, first place winner, 2 runners-up, 5 honorable mentions, blah 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 blah. Eligibility: contest available to individual users, mobile application, at least 13 years old in the United States, 16 years old in the European Economic Area, or the age of majority for all other jurisdictions within such user's jurisdiction. Contest is open to participants worldwide except in Japan, South Korea, and China. Okay, good. Employees, blah 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 blah. Just read it out on your own, guys. How to enter: submission, entry limit: an entrant may only make 1 submission per person. Submissions received in excess of 1 will be disregarded. Any entrant attempting to use multiple identities may be disqualified. Any data charges incurred, sole responsibility, blah 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 blah, must be submitted through the Pokemon Masters Fan Art Festival official entry, like that site earlier. Must include some form of in progress, must be newly developed, created by the entrants exclusively for the contest, must not have ever been published previously. Plagiarized submissions, designs, blah blah blah, will not be accepted. Must include title and description of the design. Must be one of the following file formats. Yeah. If you're submitting your entry via public link or private link, you must comply, blah 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 blah. Must not disparage. What does that mean? Let us research. What does that mean? Define this. Where is it? This. I lost the text. Yeah. Oh, I found it. What the heck does disparage or whatever? How do you pronounce that? Disparage. Disparage, regard or represent as being of little worth. Must not disregard or regard of little worth. Sponsors, Pokemon Masters must not in a way mention, refer, or otherwise put any logos or sponsors or something. Must not include personally identifiable information. Must not contain improper or inappropriate stuff. Must not contain viruses, spyware, malware. Must not contain material that is unlawful by submitting. Yeah, I think that is most of the important things. Judging and winner selection, originality, creativity, relevance to the contest team, and public appeal. Yeah, I think I will join, guys. I think I will join. And that was my initial idea of what I'm planning to do. And first place, 15,100 gems. Why is it like not you know, in not 15,000 but 15,100? And we'll be sharing various entries, social medias throughout the campaign. First place winner and runners-up will have their creations featured official Pokemon Masters Facebook and Twitter cover photos during the month of March. To enter, please click next. Let's just check out what is next, guys. Name can be an alias, SPL Gum, Twitter account, email address, date of birth, entry, title, description of your entry, choose file, final entry. In progress image and final entry. I see. So you have to upload an in progress, work in progress, basically. And I acknowledge after you submit that. And I think you are done, guys. So good luck to you guys if you're joining, because I think I am joining. So good luck to me. Good luck to everyone. And I believe Leaf is here. What the heck? I knew it. There's this crazy person who keeps on posting Leaf stuff, and I haven't gotten Leaf yet. Anyway, guys, good luck. Good luck. And I hope whoever joins, whoever wins, you guys deserve this or stuff. And I will try my best to win this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.